forth, make it a real like type of bob.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a very highly requested video. I got sent here from Beauty Forever Hair. I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this look. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Received this hair from Beauty Forever Hair Company, and so they sent me a 14-inch bob. And so right now I'm just showing you guys everything that came into the packaging. So it was this hair wrapped up in a net. And they had this like film over it. So I just ended up taking it off. It was pretty weird. I didn't understand what it was. Then it also came with a wig cap. And then it also came with this edge control like headband. So this is what it looks like under that mesh thing. I just like cut it all off. And so yeah, that's what it is. I guess it's like supposed to look like fake scalp, but I didn't really care for it, so I just took it out. And it came with 3 combs as well, and an adjustable strap too for tightness. And the wig is constructed so good, honestly. So what I'm doing here is I'm just starting with the wig on the wig cap head. And what I did is I parted it in the middle, and I just started plucking the middle part out, as you can see. So I just went in there a few times and just like plucked out like a few pieces of hair to make the part a little wider. And for the bleaching of my knots, what I did is I mixed up my 40 developer with my bleach, and I made a really thick, consistent, and I spread it all over, and I let it sit there for about 30 minutes. Yeah, I'll say I let it sit there for about 30 minutes. And then I washed it out with my purple toner shampoo, and that was it. I don't know why it's not in this video. I actually did record it, so I don't know where that footage is, but on the next install I definitely got y'all. And so with this part, what I'm doing is I'm just cutting off that extra like little side part of it. It helps. It makes it look very seamless. And so the next part after that is I just part out my baby hairs. And I just start plucking all frontwards, backwards, any type of way. Like you just want to do it very sparsely, and you just want to just like pluck everywhere. But you want to, you know, continue to part. And so at this point, I was just plucking everywhere. So I just went to the other side of my head and I just started doing the same exact process. I parted out the baby hairs, then I pluck, parted out another part, and just continued to pluck. So this is how much hair came out from all the plucking. So next I did was I just straightened my hair just so when I do get ready to cut it, it's like very perfect and I know exactly what length I'll be cutting it at. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking my beeswax and my hot comb honey from Sally's, and I'm just making sure that that closure is as flat as possible. So I'm just taking my flat iron and just running it through the hair so it can be flat. So now with this part, I'm just really parting out my baby hairs so I can then cut it. So you want to part out a good amount of baby hairs, but what you do next is you want to just start plucking the baby hairs. You guys will see soon. I'm about to start plucking my baby hairs so it won't look so thick. So I'm just brushing it all down, separating it. Then you want to take your scissors and you just want to cut in like a jagged edge type of angle. You don't want to cut straight across, but you want your baby hairs to be pretty short because nobody has long baby hairs. That's just kind of weird. So I'm cutting my baby hairs really short so they can look natural. And right here is the part where I'm tweezing my baby hair so they can have a more thinner appearance to them. So now I just put the wig back on so I can see what actual length it is. And as you can see, I really didn't like the length. So I decided to cut it shorter. Yeah, to about that length. You know, I wanted like a real cute little bob or whatever, Bobbiana situation going on. So that's what I did, honey. So yeah, right there, I'm taking my scissors so I can figure out what is the perfect length for me and this wig. So my favorite way to cut hair is with a razor. So I took my boyfriend's razor and literally just like start, cutting it, just going through, like taking each piece with the piece before and measuring it so it could be the same length all around. And literally the process took about like, I'll say 20 minutes.
So let's see it.
So with this part, you're going to want to make sure that you're cutting your lace off in a jagged type of way because it looks more natural, like it's an actual hairline.
All right.
after like really having the wig on for a little bit, I decided I still didn't like the length and I wanted to go shorter. So I took the wig off again and just like cut it even shorter. So you'll actually see how short it is in the next clip.
So for the finishing touches, we're gonna take this Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. I'm gonna take my little brush, and all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a little bit. I'm just gonna and that just defines the part. All right, boom. And I did do some off camera, so that's why I'm not doing so much. And then I take some of my my Fit Me foundation in the shade 355. So if you're my color, this will work for you. I just and so yeah, this is the end result. I decided to cut it really short, make it a real like type of bob. And so yeah, this hair is from, like we already know, Beauty Forever. This was, for one, this is called a T middle part wig. So if you saw earlier, there was like tracks in it. It's because it's like literally just a T. So like the lace is literally just a T. And so it was 150 density. It's a pre-plucked lace part wig, and it is called the Beauty Forever Fake Scalp Blonde Highlight Piano color lace. It's a 14-inch bob, but I cut it, I would say I cut this into like a 8-inch bob. And yeah, the hair is really soft. The wig was constructed really nicely, like really good. So yeah, we're just gonna see how this goes. But yeah, thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.